Today I'm showing you how you can fix low quality, blurry or flickering footage easily utilizing Wondershare Uni Converter. If you've got a low quality clip, your footage is blurry or it's just not as good as you want it to be, then you're in the right place, because today I'm showing you how you can effortlessly upscale your footage. Because this clip right here, I genuinely as a content creator thought I'd have to delete it. It's blurry, flickering, low quality, the kind of footage that kills a video. And the problem is, it's not just about how it looks, but bad footage means lower retention time, and retention time means going viral. And that means even more views, subscribers, and growth. Now, a lot of that couldn't be helped. It came from shooting in the wrong conditions and being rushed with no light, no clarity, and also the lights I couldn't control around me. And from editor and filmmaker to editor and filmmaker, you can most definitely probably relate to that, where external factors impact your footage, and quite often you only have one chance to get it right. And editing software doesn't have any tools that successfully at the moment let us fix it. So either you spend ages trying to complete workarounds, or you just don't use the clip. And if this is something that you've only had one chance to film, that can be a serious problem. So in partnership with Wondershare today, I wanted to test properly the Uni Converter by Wondershare to see how much it can help me in my editing process. Let's jump into it. So given this problem, and one that we've probably all faced, this is the Wondershare Uni Converter, and it's got an AI video enhancer that focuses on fixing things like thicker low quality and overall clarity. What stood out to me was just how simple it is. It's not complicated, it's designed just to clean up your footage quickly. There'll be a link in the description so you can click and download Wondershare Uni Converter. Once you're logged in, you're going to see this screen right here. You have your home with all of the different tools, all of them very valuable to video editors. You're also going to see a quick access to a converter. This is where you can convert a video in terms of format to a different format. For example, MOV to MP4 or various other formats. It's great for video editors, and the best thing is you can batch convert video, audio, and images, meaning you can upload them all at once, drag them into this box, and then convert them all to a standardized format of your choosing. But in terms of video enhancing, what you need to do is on the home, you need to go over and select the video section. Then on your right, you're going to see video enhancer, automatically enhance videos for clearer quality with fluid motions. Let's select this. Then we can add our file. I'm going to select the file that I showed you earlier. Now it's blurry, we know this, it's 1 minute, 1 second long. I'm going to load it into our clip. So the preview of the clip comes up, and as you can see, the quality is not that good at all. So you can see there are many different AI models to utilize here. Quality restoration to improve the quality, Topaz generative enhancement to make a clip that was blurry clear again, to restore utilizing AI parts of the footage that is generally missing, and it upscales it as well. There's face enhancement to make the face clear, anime enhancement, and also things like frame interpretation, color enhancement as well to improve the quality of the colors in your footage or image. I'm going to make sure quality restoration is selected. I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to select export all. It will then begin exporting with the enhancements made to it. And now here in my folder, I can see the normal version and then the exported, restored, higher quality version from Wondershare Uni Converter. I can drag and drop that onto my video editing timeline, and straight away, I can see the colors and the quality is so much better. And I've dragged both the original and below it the Wondershare Uni Converter version on top. And if I remove the original, you can see how much better clarity there is on the face, the colors, and the frame from the new enhanced version. This will make your content so much better. Geared up. Apparently I've got a crown, and I've got hopefully a very nice long cape to be the king. So look at all this armor and stuff like this. Now, part of me wants to go on set and just be like, guys, how's it going? Like, what's going on? But I know today we're running. So this was the original, and this is the enhanced version. The colors are better, the clarity around my face is so much better, and you can visibly see the detail in my eye. Fantastic, it's going to help massively in my video production. So for my next example, I have this wonderful clip of me running. However, it is blurry, it's been sent across WhatsApp, and it's not quite usable at the moment. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to select the model I would like to use after I've uploaded it. It's Topaz Generative Enhancement. I'm going to select that I want it in 1086 by 1920, and then I'm going to select export. Now what it's going to do is create the video, make it better, improve the quality, reduce the blur, and make my footage usable once again. There we go, it's exported. Let's take a look at the before and after, and that is just how good a quality Topaz Generative Enhancement is. For me, I love it because it brings back the emotion to the clip by enhancing the clarity of my face. But next up, I want to take a look at the deflicker. Light flickering can be extremely frustrating, especially in a clip around technology, lights, TVs, and so on. If you have a clip that you would like to remove the flicker on, simply add it here, it will load up into your footage, and here you can see the original. It's slightly flickering from the lights or the way it was filmed. Under the video deflicker bar, I can select the processing strength I would like. I want to have this clip the best it can be without the flicker, so it takes a bit longer to process. I would say that weak for light issues, normal for most clips, and strong if it's really bad. After the preview, you can easily export it. I then select export, same as source folder. And then you can see straight away that there is no flickering in the clip, and it has literally saved my bacon, because if it was flickering, it's really annoying, especially in short form content, because people will just flick away. Now with the video enhancer, there are other scenarios where this works really well. Clips with mixed issues like slight blur, bad lighting and compression. Normally you'd hesitate to use them, but this kind of tool makes them usable again. The main thing is that it's all in one place and it's fast. You see, as a creator, better quality footage means better watch time, stronger first impressions, and thus more opportunities, whether that's brand deals, clients, or even just growing your channel. You see, for me, this is the kind of tool that saves footage I would normally use, and there's a whole suite of products that really help me up my video editing game. I'll leave a link down below in the description for you all to check it out. And if you want more practical ways to improve your videos and grow your channel, there is a lot more coming. So definitely check it out down below. Thank you very much.